Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to share with you a plan with me where I'm going to be featuring this super stinking adorable kit from Planner Pixie Co. It's called His Day. It was for Father's Day, and I will tell you the story as to why all of my plan with me's are coming out late. But here is a look at this amazing kit. This is was a printable kit, but now I just checked the website and it is no longer a printable kit. But you can order it from her. So she is not just a printable shop; she's also has a physical shop as well. So this kit is still available. I know it's past Father's Day, but it is so stinking adorable that I really, really, really do feel like you could totally purchase this kit and save it for next year and it will still be absolutely fantastic. So here is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using my penny pages. This is my daily journal and it is a B6 size. And then this is a standard vertical size kit. So these boxes are 1.5 inches wide, and then they're like the standard 2-inch tall box, which is the same for all standard vertical kits. And so it will totally fits in a B6 in the penny pages. So if you are feeling like you want to do daily planning like I do, this is perfect for you. And the penny pages offers these undated as well. So if you're not feeling like you want a daily plan every day and you want to skip a few days because you don't have anything going on or you're not feeling like it, you can totally just, put whatever dates that you're feeling like doing a layout and doing some daily planning, and that totally works. So I have the dated version for now, but starting in July, I have the undated pages. So that is why you're seeing what you're seeing. I'm sorry my camera's acting goofy, but I think it was just too much going on. So that little tool that you saw up at the top, that was from Pretty Planner, and that is, she calls it a fingernail, but it is a sticker lifter and it is fantastic. I think I told you before, but I'm going to tell you again. I didn't know I needed it until I have it, and now I can't live without it. So if you're looking for something that will lift stickers without destroying your paper, that thing is fantastic. I love it. So now I'm just figuring out what I want to put and where I want to put it, because I don't have a ton of journaling to do because this one had to work. I worked Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I did not get to spend too much of Father's Day with my husband. So I don't have a lot of stuff to plan on here or to share as far as writing down. So I want to put a lot of stickers because I really want to just decorate the heck out of these 2 pages. And usually when I do my daily planning, the 2 pages that are side by side, I usually match them. So I'll take one full kit and I will put it for the whole 2 days. So for this one, it's going to be the 19th and the 20th. And so I was at work on this day right here, the 19th, and it was 11:30 at night, and I get this super angry text message from my husband, and he's like, "Water pipe broke." There was some bad words in there, moving stuff out of the way, and then that was it. And I'm like, oh my god, what is going on? I'm at work, it's 11:30 at night, I have no idea what's happening. He never is even up that late, let alone texting me. So I'm trying to call him and he's not answering me, of course, because he was busy moving things out of the way. So apparently the main water pipe that comes into the house had like this weird filter on it, and the filter burst. So it was like opening up a fire hydrant in the basement. And our basement is a finished basement. We basically live in the basement. Like upstairs is where the living room, the kitchen, and the bedrooms are, but downstairs is a gigantic family room, another bathroom, laundry room, and another bedroom. And just like this is just basically the living spaces down here. It's completely finished basement. And somebody just, opened up a fire hydrant in my basement. So he was trying to, as quickly as possible, move as many things out of the way to turn the main water pipe off, which is under the stairs, which has like this little hobbit door under the stairs to get into where the water shut off is. And this ding dong over here stacked a whole bunch of boxes and stuff in front of that because it's like a closet. And so I put all of like the Christmas stuff that I use every year, and I stacked it in front of that little hobbit door. And so he had to move all that out of the way in order to get in there and shut off the main water valve. So my husband did not have a very good Father's Day. So following that is calling the water cleanup company, who came out thankfully that very night, and they cleaned up, sopped up all the water, cut holes in the walls, put fans everywhere, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, all that kind of stuff. And I called the insurance, opened a claim, and that is why all of my plan with me's are late, because my office area, my little shop area, is also in the basement. So everything was unplugged and moved, and tons of stuff was wet. So yeah, that's why this is late. But I still wanted to share it with you because, first of all, I wanted to tell you what a horrible, horrible weekend that was. But second of all, to tell you, I still love this kit. I still love this layout. It came out so good, and I just wanted to share it with you because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Even though I'm not going to put, I'm just not. I'm not going to put our horrible day in there because I don't want to put that in there. So I'm not going to. But he did get to spend all of Monday. So the basement was so hot and so humid because of the all the equipment that was down here and the wet rugs and the dehumidifiers, and it was like 90 degrees in the basement. And my basement is always super, super cool. It doesn't need fans, it doesn't need air conditioning. It's always like 20 degrees cooler than the whole rest of the house. And that's why we hang out down here. It's like the best place in the house to hang out. And yeah, it was so hot down here and it was hot upstairs. So he basically took our little granddaughter out, and we spent Monday with our granddaughter because my daughter and her husband, they went and did something for him for Father's Day, but it's kind of weird. They didn't take the baby, but she's only 3 months old, so I guess she's not the funnest in the world to take out and do stuff. And they went to the water park on Monday, so we had the baby all day. So we had spent the day with her, and we took her out on a walk in the evening when it was cooler, and we just kind of played with her all day in one of the cooler rooms in the house that we could find, watched movies and all that kind of stuff. So he did have a good day Monday. It was just a horrible weekend prior to that. So, and I did work all of them. So I luckily was here on Monday, so I got to spend the time with him and the baby. And yeah, I had to just kind of deal with all this stuff from work, which was really frustrating because, of course, the first thing I'm saying is, "Hey, do you want me to come home? Do I need to come home?" Mainly because I just wanted to come home. But I wouldn't have been any help. I would have just been in the way, and he probably would have been even more frustrated. So he's like, "No, do not come home, just stay at work." So yeah, I had to stay at work. Anyway, isn't this cute? This is coming out so singing adorable. So I put my little work days on there like I always do, and some other stuff where like boxes where I know I'm going to put things, where I know I'm going to fill things out. And mostly it's just me decorating with some of the deco that comes in this kit. There's a ton of boxes left over, which I put inside of my little sticker, my leftover sticker sheets, so that I can use them for some of the other stuff. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys like this. It came out really, really cute. I totally love it, and I will leave everything linked below. Thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.